Good morning, afternoon, whatever time of day
It's morning.
you are watching this.
Good morning,
What?
Lord. How are you?
I didn't know I was watching this.
And welcome back to the Ray Train. Join the train by subscribing and click the bell so the train goes. Woo! Today is the last full day in Alaska. We're just gonna shop probably and take it easy.
We're going to look for reindeer sausage.
I'm gonna look for a necklace.
A necklace.
Hannah's gonna look for nothing. Oh, a necklace and sweatpants.
Sweatpants.
Because I probably should have bought the sweatpants and what's it called?
Let's. Wood.
Dad is supporting other channels besides the Ray Train.
Oil spill in California.
Hey guys, so we made it back to our hotel. We kind of did a lot of souvenir shopping today. Nothing else really. Eating and walking and shopping. I should do a haul. First up, we got rocks. Lots of rocks. Next we have pennies. Those Alaskan pennies.
Okay, so let's see where the rocks are from. So these rocks.
Ooh, that left a stain.
All of these rocks here are from where we went hiking on the beach. Ooh, this rock does leave a stain, doesn't he? He comes off. This is from a glacier. This rock.
It gets dark on the mic.
It's kind of more clearish, kind of white. But this is for our hiking out to Jewel Mine. Tubes. And then
Hannah got some stuff.
I'm going to show you this. These are postcards that I got for $1, which is pretty sweet. Postcards.
How many did you get?
I love that you're focusing not on this. So this one is kind of different.
Weird.
It's for me. This one.
You're gonna send it to yourself.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so those are those four.
Grizzly's unique Alaskan gifts.
Yep.
Everybody calls their gifts unique.
Summer guide from Denali. I put everything in here. Denali map. These are for free. This is a Denali iron-on patch, but I'm going to sew it onto my backpack. This guy, baby forget-me-not sticker. This is my big purchase. Well, no, this is one of my big purchases. This is a sticker for my computer.
I got a lot of stickers. I bought way too many.
This is a hoodie.
Alaska, the last frontier.
This little friend is for a friend of mine who's getting married.
Cool.
It's a piece of little mini artwork. Cubs. Something Rachel and I got together.
But it's gonna be adopted by Hannah.
Pretty much, because Rachel got one for herself.
Well, that's because I knew this one would be yours. But I thought of that after the fact, so.
Okay, this is a piece of mammoth tusk.
So we each got
Necklace.
something mammothy.
Mammothy. Yep,
Okay,
mammoth
sure.
ivory. Isn't it cute?
It's cute. It's like a little baby.
Mm-hmm.
And the next one, it's just a hunk of wood.
Animals of Alaska, Humpback Dive by Francois Girard.
Probably did that wrong. It's a whale.
This is a humpback whale, and they sing upside down for 20 minutes. Saw that today. Humpback whales sing for 20 minutes. And they mate.
Outside the window.
Yep.
Why did you point out that?
Wherever the
Where are you going with this?
they mate in this harbor. This is the place where they mate, and then they go and calve in warmer
They
water.
made outside the window. Let's go look. Whoa, whoa, camera. Whoa. Whales are mating.
And I probably have a whole bunch of other postcards stuffed in different books. So
My haul. Let's see what I bought. So, first off, we have this cute little Alaskan flag. Can you see that? Yeah, it was on Dad's burger. Actually, his buffalo meatloaf sandwich. It's very hard to hold the camera. Anyway, I got this sticker. I can't see this sticker. I thought it was very cute.
oh, I didn't tell you everything.
I don't think it was made in Alaska.
Have my ticket.
TSA.
Your stuff.
We ate a Cinnabon.
We'll sit right over here.
But I gotta pay for it.
No, yeah. Get out your wallet then. Get your purse.
It's a rainy day in Alaska. Rainy day. Dad's meandering.
Whatever it is.
Back home. By the way, welcome to the Ray Train. Join the train by subscribing and click the bell so the train goes woo! We made it to Seattle, to our connecting
Welcome
point.
to Seattle.
We got a 2-hour layover, and yeah, that's about it. How'd you say that flight went? We had a very annoying little girl behind us screaming the entire flight and kicking my seat and slamming the tray table into the back of the seat. Yeah, she was great. Terminal. We made it to our connecting flight. We ate supper? Lunch? Lupper. We land
supper lunch.
at like midnight. And we're probably gonna get home at like 1:30.
Yeah, it'll be ugly.
Yeah. Might not go to church tomorrow.
This old boy's not gonna make it up, that's for sure.
But Dad has first class again. Yeah, that's the update right now.
Happy update.
We made it on the plane. Flying Alaskan Air. It's a pretty good airline. I just have a bias towards American Airlines. Hannah, how would you say this airline is? Hannah, how would I say this airline is? It's pretty good. Pretty good? Yes, I will have to move because you have to move. Here, this can go right there. Seattle, Washington. Adios. Here. The dogs are happy to see us.
Mutilated my bag.
Dad, we're home.
Where's that, Penny? Good seeing you guys. Good seeing you. Oh man.
Come on, Dad.
It's the star road.
We've come to the end of the Alaska vlog.
Thing was supposed to be out of here.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Into the Alaska adventures.
We did. Thank you for watching, and
Look, wait.
I hope
we
you had-
gotta show them this. Look at this horrible thing they did to my beautiful bag Grandma gave me for my senior year.
Airport jockey.
the airport monkeys destroyed the dumb thing. That's the inside of the bag. This is my college bag. This is a memorial that served me 3 years faithfully at college, and they destroyed it. Ah! Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please join the raid train. I hope you enjoyed the train ride and the vlog. Have a great day. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, have a great day. I hope you enjoyed the train ride. Join the train if you did. Subscribe and click the bell.
Good night.
Good night.